UAS Unmanned Aircraft Systems. Are you a manufacturer or distributor of unmanned aircraft systems, and would you like to launch your drone on the European market? With the CE marking, you prove that your drone complies with the applicable EU directives and requirements. TÜV Rheinland will be your reliable and competent partner for testing your UAS. With our UAS testing services, you document the safety of your products, comply with applicable mandatory product requirements, increase trust in your products, meet the obligatory requirements for your target market. How can TÜV Rheinland foster your success? We provide you with the knowledge about the necessary requirements with our technical meetings and workshops. Your product will be tested by experts in our accredited laboratories. And finally, we support you with our testing services on safety, maximum speed and height, as well as noise emission. What makes TÜV Rheinland a beneficial partner? We are your reliable, high-quality service provider with broad expertise and experience in testing and certification. TÜV Rheinland, comprehensive UAS testing for the European and global market.